What about the marine pollution level and economic efficiency of general underwater hull cleaning? Underwater hull cleaning by robots guarantees a higher quality than the same work done by divers, as well as faster and more eco-friendly work. Economical and regular underwater hull cleaning by robot lead to the protection of marine ecosystem and saving of fuel for the vessel, which greatly contribute to the reduction of greenhouse gases emission. In addition, while there are marine environment protective regulations being strengthened in earnest across the globe, TAS Global has been selected as a supervision institute for government tasks for global standardization of technologies, for removing and treating attached living things to the hull of $14 million. In addition, this company's CEO, Kim Yu-shik, has been elected as the chairman of the GIA under the IMO, so we have played the key role in preparing for relevant legislation and technical type approval procedure. TAS Global is preparing for the future by putting spurs to the development of robo-solution for underwater ship hull management, of sailing vessels and new shipbuilding vessels, in an environmentally friendly manner in concert with Hyundai Global Service and KCC. The robots for treating attached biofouling to the underwater hulls, which can be realized only by TAS Global, are strictly customized and designed for cleaning the underwater hulls. The robots are able to clean the hulls within the given period of time without affecting the vessel schedules by using a number of robots during the time for shipping, unloading, and bunkering. Thanks to our principles of minimization of input of divers and priority on the protection of human lives, we have an extremely low risk of accidents. TAS Global's robots have a strong attachment underwater and on the surface of water. We are the only company who is able to work even under the conditions of current speed 3.4 knots, being capable of freely moving for cleaning even curved surfaces. When cleaning hulls, 6 high-resolution cameras in all 4 directions on the robot, as well as various sensors, being able to monitor the damages and clean status in real time. We have actually been working with no claim at all up until now. We are able to select eco-friendly cleaning tools in accordance with the status of following condition, thereby increasing the precision of cleaning the hulls. We provide service that cleans the surface of the hulls with no damage to the surface and to the paintings on the surface of the hulls. Our filtration system connected to the main frame of the robots by a transport hose transport and clean and treat the biofouling attached to the hulls removed by the cleaning process. The robot tows transport hose by overcoming the underwater resistance of optical complex cable of 3.5 centimeters of diameter, as well as a hose of 200 meters of length and 6.5 centimeters of internal diameter. In addition, the portable filtration system, which TAS Global has developed on its own, is able to clean even microorganisms and microparticles by 3 steps. We possess the highest level of water treatment capacity in the world. We are also currently developing another filtration system, which is capable of even cleaning dissolved metal. TAS Global will become your innovative partner in the maritime industry for a better future by contributing to the eco-friendly initiatives with our slogan of "A clean environment is the future asset."